Me and you and the dog.
It's not a dog.
Okay.
She's Roseak.
Me and you and
Roseak.
Roseak.
Yes.
Me and you and the dog.
She's not a dog. Her name is Roseak.
Mwah.
Don't kiss a dog.
Excuse me. I gotta kiss my puppy. You crazy? Move.
Don't kiss Roseak.
No.
It's nasty.
They grow with affection. You have to kiss them.
Not kissing
Yep.
Roseak.
You have to, they grow with affection. You have to kiss you. You'll build with that.
I love you, Roseak.
But I have to kiss you.
But I'm not kissing you. Look at you. Very face me, man.
You know, Savage. Come here now. Come here. Look here now. If Rose know who Akeem really is, right? She knows say my busy boy, you know. You understand? So you are gonna really look. I feel like it's a front she put on. You understand?
Woman want fucking her
Because she
whole and then
hide. Look here, no man. Look here, no.
Woman want
Say
fuck
my
with her
use. Look
whole
here,
man.
no. Look here, no man. Remember, say my use her, you know. Say she in my look here, no. Rose is like a identity for him. He might use her for the identity. So she have to put her in his front. Say she begging for the wood and him not gonna give her. We know say him not gonna give her because I know that him into.
We're getting at Barbie. We're getting at
You don't know me.
Barbie.
Understand exactly what you're saying. My dear.
Barbie, you know see
Patrolly. You
You
understand
call
when I
it-
say patrolly?
Listen,
Yeah, but
Thank
repeat
you.
it back to Savage again.
listen, my man. No fuck the woman now get underneath the stress.
So we
What
don't
she
know
under
that.
ya.
You're not
No
listening.
fuck.
We
the
don't
woman
know
now
that.
get.
You don't know that. We don't know that. You're not
Listen,
Me
listening.
understand where Barbie a come
She
from.
not understand what me I
Me
say.
understand you're full of weird. Me understand what you're saying. You're trying to say that she will get the sex, but undercover she just come out and say she not get nothing because what they call up on the man name. So she will say, me not get nothing now, re. In which that not even come on the media, cause that a private thing too. But to
No.
me, Rose not get no
She
sex.
not get it
But
undercover.
right now, it's
Me
No.
not get it
in party
until.
alone. I know that she needs to go help her, get help, professional help.
Jesus.
And
She not get
know what
nothing.
want, she know everything, and like in my username, see if you get the things them, and she depressed and stressed with all what go on.
Yeah, she depressed and stressed all over go on because
And
she
she know everything, she know the
she
truth.
do everything
Rose not
and she
get no
still
wood and
not
Rose
get
is
the
not
wood.
going to get it because we know
Me say
what
she
he
say
is
she
really
do
into.
everything and
It's
she
just a
still not
front.
get it. And that a stress Rose. Me I tell you,
She thinks that she can't turn him.
she
And it's not
can't
going
turn
to
him.
happen. So it's getting to her.
So why you call that no Barbie? No wickedness that.
A wickedness, yes, by the end of the day, the girl just want fucking to be loved.
So now that me I say, what me I say wrong? Where's me I say? That true me say it just raw so? Oh, okay. Okay. No fuck she
I
not
say go
get.
me girl.
And
Yes,
that
I
a
don't
Rose problem.
so me not disappointed, you know, but the facts are facts.
And she put in
Whether you
everything
like
in
a
it.
person or not, the truth is the truth, and the truth, yeah, me can't play hypocrite, but it's just the truth. Not true me like her, me
Yeah,
go
but
say
she can't come out and talk
fake, the youth
because
just
she
fake,
have
and
to
it's
protect
true. The
certain
youth fake, and
things.
me nah blood clotting and no delusional word. Me a big woman, and me know when man need and want a woman in their life. Me nah make this blood clot dopey show frighten me and tell me others. No, did they say it's just a front. And him just see a way of him market himself off a Rose. Rose no need that the youth they fi make money. Rose no need him, period.
That is
You
true.
understand? So them can't sell me fake story. I mean, no care who they say me bash, cause that is not bash. What me realize with most of these people
And
and the
what
app,
that?
When you
kind of
like
trumpet
somebody
that?
and through your talk it through, then say I bash them. This is no bash. Me a ghetto girl and me understand the facts of life. That a boy they sell our hopes and dreams,
Whoa,
and if
me
you
want
move in
some
blood
fuck, my
clot and
pussy
love
just
the
a
girl.
jump,
Cause me
a
ignorant
jump,
and
a
itchy
jump.
for the boy.
I
Not a
Candy
fuck
say,
now go on this up. Bumbo clot, show me like somebody me go there like me a idiot. I mean I fight for me picking them say in a real life. Not for them big woman you have to go sit down. Not sure you like somebody me really like the girl.
listen, man,
From the
the
bottom
problems.
of my heart, me like her.
Yeah,
But
me
not
like
to
Rose too,
like
but I
her.
mean,
Because we
Rose.
cover up in a denial and they say it's real. It's not real, it's fucking fake.
It's not that
It's
it's fake. It's just she got caught up
And it's
in it.
just a front and you need to
And she
stop it.
thinks
You
that she
can't just
can't
love
turn
bomb
him
the
and she
girl and
can.
make the girl
He
feel
is what
some
he
type of
is.
way.
And
Just because
that's
she
just
never
that.
used to certain things and you come out now and enlighten her to the
What you
world
mean why
and make
Dyema
she know certain
certain? What
things.
you mean why
She go
Dyema
have
certain?
that
No
in a
matter
fear
about why
head say
Dyema
yes you
certain,
want
you
her
know.
and love her but a
You not
blood
talk about
clot
why
like him a
Dyema
tell
certain.
and it's a
Dyema
fact.
bumbo class stress. You know see the amount of blood clot Dyema blood clot go through. The fuck you talk about why Dyema certain? That's why I will if a fucking stress I got you with Dyema and Dyema whole and a bite a blood clot tongue and Dyema want blood clot talk and can't bumbo clot talk the things them. What you mean why Dyema a blood clot stress?
Run,
Every
my
minute to
pussy
not call
just
a
a
blood
jump,
clot Dyema name.
jump.
Eh? What you mean?
Jump.
Like a blood
Dyema
clot
want
woman
you know. Dyema
t-shirt.
not get no hood neither.
Bumbo clot.
Barbie, I who call
Yeah.
Diamond name?
Me don't know
Hear
somebody in
that?
the comment about why she's so thin. Where her name?
Who said that,
Bad
Dyema
girl
not get
K.
no hood neither, you know. So that Dyema brain, you know.
Jesus, sexy. Jesus.
You know all I think about.
Dyema
You
not
really
getting
think.
no hood neither.
Listen,
So
you know
that
shut
what
the
this
fuck
show
up about
them.
Diamond not get no hood.
Nothing.
Who the fuck you not talk about say Diamond not get no hood? You know things say a bumbo clot would put happiness in a bumbo clot people life. You know so like some big bumbo clot idiot thing
And
about
that me
Diamond not
want
get no
know
hood
too.
why she's so
Like cocky is
Listen
all.
no man,
Cocky
you
is
know
not
shut the
all.
fuck up man about Diamond not get no hood why she's so blood clotting.
Why?
You know so like idiot. I would alone put on blood clot weight pan people. I would put on weight pan people.
Cocky stress you out the
You
world.
don't know what the blood clot woman I got you with the blood clot you not talk about why she's so thin. Shut the fuck up. You not come talk about why she's so thin, but she not getting no hood. What the blood clot would have to do with it? I would put on blood clot weight for the woman. You don't know what the blood clot she got you behind closed fucking doors. You don't know what she got you?
Murder.
Who can't talk about hood? She not get no hood.
Who
She
said that?
not get no hood. Hood. Shut the fuck
Hold
up.
on there.
Who said that in the comment section? Block them. Who said that? Block them.
And then in the comment section, that sex is just blood clot say.
Sexy?
Patrol. Make
Sexy,
them
where
stop
you
What
say?
would
Why
have to
you
do with
say
the
that?
blood clot
They can't
woman
have
weight?
all
No
up
woman. Bumbo clot.
Let
Come
them
on for the
stop calling
woman.
people name because that's not necessary right now.
Listen,
Because
over
man
here's
is
an
not
open
God
platform,
and man
you know
is
them
not
free to
light
type
and
of the one type.
salvation right
Over
now.
here's an open platform, them free to type of the one type.
I
Sometimes
got talk with me, you want talk.
exactly, so they just talk on the one talk.
Oh.
Lord, my pussy just a jump. I can't bother. Oh, we are over here,
You
Salah.
not talk about you should not get the girl want that out there. That girl, you don't think that she want that, you think that I'm a blood clot idiot. You think that she want that out there, I would have, hey go, hey dog,
Listen
I'll
me.
lift up her face.
Listen me.
You don't think that she want that out there, you don't think that I'm an idiot.
Where your name there? What's your name?
See there? You can't see me, see there?
Oh, Barbie. Listen, what me I say to you,
Hold on.
we don't know what go on behind closed doors.
Exactly,
The
so you cannot
people
say
them
a
say-
oath make she so thin.
And me say that.
Me just a say you was agreeing. You was agreeing. You was agreeing.
Me not
Yeah.
You was agreeing.
Yeah. Me was
Good morning, guys.
You was because you
Come
said hood
now.
show why she stress a hood.
Not Dyema. I said
Good morning,
Rosealee.
ladies.
Oh, I never Rosealee you take a dime with the depend.
No, don't say that, buddy.
Okay, guys. Okay, ladies. Good morning, sweet.
Good morning. I just want to say something.
Me get a call, me go come down. Patrol
When
later,
Rosealee-
savage. Big up
Oh,
yourself,
yeah,
Barbie.
auntie.
Big up.